Don't wait until your car looks like this. Get some all-weather mats and keep it looking new for years to come.
All right, with this one we bought brand new. We didn't get all-weather floor mats from Tesla. We got some cheap ones from Amazon. We noticed that they didn't look very nice and they started to slide. We noticed they were moving under our feet. So we decided to upgrade to some 3W mats, and I'm going to show you how much of an upgrade these are. All right, so here I have a cheap little floor mat from Amazon. You can tell these are thin. The water channel is not very thick. Now look at the difference in the appearance and thickness. Now you'll notice right away that this one has this extra tray here. Give you a little extra storage, but you can also instantly tell how deep those channels are for the catching the water and letting it drain off your shoes and stuff. So these are a lot thicker mats over here, and again these just have these tiny little nubs to try to help keep the carpet from sliding, whereas these have like a 45-degree like little nub at 45 degrees that helps grab and dig into the carpet to keep it from moving. So you're going to have a little bit better performance out of these. But again, these you'll notice these channels here for the water drainage. They're really thick. These are much thicker mats overall, and just a lot more sturdy. You can just feel it when you pick it up. And not to mention that this comes with this nice carpeted insert here, and it just snaps in, boom and boom. Like when you get in and you see this looks just a lot classier, a lot nicer, a lot better made mat than this cheap one from Amazon. All right, so here is the mat. This is the driver's side mat from 3W. You can see it looks fantastic. It's got a nice little metal accent here, because some people have the metal pedals and it matches right along with that. It does have a carpeted layer that you can remove, so it just pops out. So when it's winter time, or if you're going somewhere where it's raining, you expect to be muddy or something, you can pop this out, boom, put that in your frunk, whatever. Now you've got your all-weather mat underneath it. This can get dirty. You just pull it out, rinse it off, and you're good to go. But look how nice that mat is. And this mat has a special feature that most others do not. It gives you under-seat storage. There is a section here, has a nice lip right here. So whatever you put in here is not going to roll out under your feet. You can put a little umbrella there. Let's see if one fits. All right, so here we go. We've got our umbrella. Boom. There it is. Isn't that a perfect place for an umbrella? You use it, it's going to get wet. You don't want that water and stuff to get all over your carpet. Boom. This has got a nice little storage section. You can pack up your umbrella, put it right there. Don't have to worry about that water dripping onto your carpet. So I'm going to put the carpet back in. And it just snaps into place. Boom, there you go. You've got a nice cushion for your heel. It's got a nice cushion pad here. Looks good. Got a nice lip there, so if you do spill something, it's going to stay in this mat and not get all in your carpet. You can see how nice that looks. Let's go look at the rest of them. This is the passenger side. You can see again, it has this nice carpet. That's where your feet are going to be most of the time. It's nice to have that extra little cushion under your heel. And then again, it's completely removable. You've got the 3W all-weather mat underneath. Perfect fit. You can see it just lines this area perfectly. And this one also has the storage right underneath, right there. Nice little section there you can put whatever. Maybe something that you would use your door pocket for. You can free that door pocket up and put it right underneath your seat in that nice little handy storage section. All right, so here it is in the back seat. You can see very, very good fit. Perfect fit, actually. It's like nice raised edge all the way around. It goes up underneath the seats. Pretty good distance up to the vent there. So very nice. Raised edge all the way around. Just a perfect fit. You don't have any kind of buckling or anything like that. And again, this does have the carpet that can be removed. All you do is just pull up on this, and then boom, you've got your all-weather underneath. So very nice on the feet. When you're sitting back here, it's comfortable. It's going to add a little layer of soundproofing as well. Not that you have a lot of sound coming up through the ground, but anything like carpet and stuff is going to just bring down the vibrations and noises that may come up through. But yeah, this is a beautiful fit. It looks like it's stock. And I just love the versatility of having the carpet. And then when you don't need the carpet in the wintertime or raining, mud, whatever, going to the beach or something, pull these out when you know you're going to have sand and dirt and stuff on your floors, and it's going to make cleaning these a lot easier. Very nice. All right, now this set does come with the full coverage of the back cargo area. These are what goes on the back of the seats, and you can see there's Velcro hook and loop style adhesive all the way around. This is going to stick directly to the back of this seat, and I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you can see it's very sticky. And boom, look at that. Now I just did this with one hand. I can readjust, get it right, but look how nice that looks just as is. You can cut this out there for your child safety hook if you need it. But man, that is nice. I'm gonna get the rest of them installed and show you what it looks like. All right, so here is the back cargo area. You can see they are attached with the hook and loop style, and you can rearrange and adjust as needed. I just threw them on there. They look really nice. Here's this back area. You can see there's a nice wide design here. It's really cool. Again, very well made, very nice fit. This you can lift up, you can fold it over to get access to your other storage underneath. There is also a another 3W mat for this area down here. So if you spill anything down there, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, it looks beautiful. But then you got full coverage, back seat backs, and the floor. So when you do lay your seats fully flat for storing stuff, then you're protecting that carpet and keeping it nice. All right, there is one for the front frunk. Let's go look at it. "3W" does have the front frunk mat again, perfect fit, and also has access to the drain plug. One thing I will mention is Tesla sells all-weather mats. Tesla has a 3-piece mat set right here. You just get the passenger, driver, and their little rear floor for $240. They want another $220 for the back cargo area. And then, another $60 and $80 for the front trunk and then the rear trunk area. So you can either spend $600 on Tesla's mats, or you can get this 9-piece set, plus you get these extra nice carpet inserts, and you get the driver, passenger, and one for the back floorboard as well. So you're going to get all of this for about 9 pieces, plus the 3 pieces of carpet for about what you'd pay for Tesla's, just the front, driver, passenger, and rear floor. So much better bargain, and it looks a lot nicer. So go check it out. Links in the description. I'll put the coupon down in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. More videos coming soon. See ya.